Outside the shed, Smudger was showing off in front of Stuart and Falcon. "Whatever possessed the manager to let him run again?" pondered Duke. Smudger just laughed. And then there was trouble. "I had many brothers," Sir Handel told the others, "but they all left the works before me. The first, so they say, was called Proteus, and carried a magic lamp that made wishes come true." "Oh, nonsense!" cried the other engines. Freddy is a grand-looking engine and is one of the largest on the line. Due to his tall funnel and wide cab, he can only pull trains up to the workstation. He doesn't mind though. "I doubt I'm missing out on a view as nice as the one down here," he puffed. The workmen in the carriage shops on the little railway had been hard at work throughout the winter and, when the skies cleared and the weather got warmer, presented new semi-open coaches to the engines. "The passengers will like these on warm days," murmured Scarlowy. "Especially if it starts bucketing it down without warning," chuckled Duncan. He had been left long forgotten in the old mine, but Bertram's crew never gave up on him. They kept him in good steam and even better spirits, until eventually he was rediscovered and the old warrior was put into service once more. The Skarloey Railway has special wagons for gunpowder. They used wooden vans before, but after a dangerous altercation where the steamroller highlighted the danger, stronger wagons were purchased. After the war, there was a surplus of spare engines on the continent, so the owner bought Millie on the cheap and brought her back from France. She tried, but often found it difficult to raise steam. "Pardon, monsieur," she said to the owner. "After working on the trenches, it is hard to adapt to this life." "More new coaches?" asked Peter Sam cautiously. "I hope there's nothing wrong with Agnes and Lucy and the rest." "Bless you, no," said his driver. "These are to assist with the heavier trains we have these days, as the railway has become so popular." Mighty Mac has a strange design, with a smoke box at each end and a cab in the middle. When he heard that some bigger engines needed a turntable to go in the other direction, his laughter echoed throughout the valley. "Mr. Fairley must have been the wisest engineer around," he puffed confidently. Once upon a time, there was a tiny tank engine called Luke who helped shunt coaches and trucks around for the bigger engines. But he always wanted to go and explore the wide world.